Good morning. This is Wendy, a Senior Brand Director with Tula XII. Today on our Tula Connect moment, I just want to cover our meal and grocery insert. This is the medium version, and it also comes in small and extra large. The features of the meal and grocery insert are: there is a place on the left side of the insert for you to be able to make out your meal. When making out your meal, you can write what you're having and include your ingredients of what you need in order to make the meal. Don't be thwarted by these days of the week. They can easily be covered up by washi tape so that you don't have to be saddled into one particular meal on each day of the week. On the right side of the insert, you're going to find the place where you can do your shopping. So take the ingredients from the left side and place them down the right, following along so that you can take this quick insert inside your Tula XII Lifestyle Organizer, head to the grocery store, know what you're eating and what you need to fix those ingredients. Hope this Tula XII moment has been an inspiration for you. Have a great day.